Managing parents is part of the student information system module. So to access the manage parents module, so you go into student information system and parents. So here you get the list of all the parents and the entire family information. For example, Kevin and Debbie Arthur here has got 4 kids. So if I go into the parent profile, so you can see all the family up here, the consolidated invoices, and also consolidated activities as well. So any emails sent, SMS sent across all students, you can see all that information here. So you also have the option, if I go into the parent section, you can select all and you have the option to send login invitations to parents. Communicating with parents can be done from managed students. You can select all and you have the option to send emails. When you send an email, you have the option to send only to parents' email. Same goes with sending email or SMS or WhatsApp notifications as well. Adding parents is part of the process where when you're adding students, you also add the parent information as well. So there is no option for adding parents separately, but when adding students, you have the option to add parent information as well. The system automatically knows the siblings data of of the student. So for example here, based on the parent information, it will know the siblings data as well. So that's all about how you can manage parents.